this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota Sienna XLE. The 2020 Toyota Sienna XLE gets some athletic performance specs. With a 296 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine, an 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence, you get a 3,500-pound towing capacity, and you get all-wheel drive with active torque control. The Toyota Sienna also comes in front-wheel drive, which gives you a varying seating configuration, so see your dealer for more details. Here on the exterior, we have projector beam halogen headlights with the auto on-off feature and LED daytime running lights. We have 18-inch 10-spoke machined alloy wheels. We have chrome accented outside door handles with the touch sensor lock-unlock feature. We have dual power sliding side doors and a power liftgate with jam protection. We have black roof rails. We have a power tilt slide moonroof, and you get up to over 150 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we have a leather-trimmed tilt telescopic steering wheel with audio, Bluetooth hands-free phone and voice command controls. We have leather-trimmed and multi-stage heated front seats with seat back pockets. We have a 7-inch touchscreen Audio Plus multimedia with an integrated backup camera. You get Bluetooth wireless technology with Siri Eyes Free. We are Scout GPS Link, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatible. This model has 8-passenger seating with removable leather-trimmed 40-20-40 second row seating and stowable center seat. We have leatherette-trimmed 60-40 split and stow third row seat with one motion stow, and you get up to 164 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2020 Toyota Sienna XLE also comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more. So if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota Sienna, the XLE might be everything you need, so come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.